Are they sleeping? Asked Mary. No, replied Uncle Jim. For 3 months they stay inside their coats, but all this time they are changing into ants. Then at last the great day comes. Slowly out of the coats came little insects. Now Uncle Jim told Mary that ants are not sleeping, but they are staying in their coats for growing up. And after 3 months, it's came their day when they have to come out of their hole and they are grown up into a little insects. Okay, look here in this picture. Uncle Jim is sitting and it's Tom and it's Mary. He is describing all the life cycle of ants. Okay, their bodies are in two parts, joined by a narrow waist. They have 6 legs and two long fillers, which grow out from their heads. With these fillers, they can hear and smell and touch. Look here in this picture. Ants are having 6 legs. Can you count? Yes, they are having 6 legs, and a narrow waist means they are having very small waist, not too much wide waist, and they are having two fillers. Look here, these are the fillers. With the help of these fillers they can hear, smell or touch. Okay, Tom and Mary smiled, and their uncle went on. When the young ants grow up, they must help about the home. As mother ant is still laying eggs, she needs some of them to take care of the grubs and to look after their little brother and sister. These are the nurse aunt. Okay. Now Uncle Jim tell to the children that mother ants keep laying their egg, but the grown up ants have to help or take care of the baby grubs, small insects, or they have to take care of their little brother and sister. And these ants who are taking care of their little brother and sister are called nurse ants. Okay, because we have seen nurses in hospital who are taking care of patients, so the ants which are helping or nursing or taking care of their brother and sister, they are called nurse ants. Okay, what about others? Asked Tom. The others help in different ways, said Uncle Jim. They all work hard. Some make the home bigger and dig out little passages like the streets of a town. Some keep the home clean and tidy and carry away any rubbish. Okay. Now Jim tell to Tom that ants are always doing some kind of work. They are very hard worker. The ants who are at their home, they have to dig their home, and some ants are making passage is a way or a path in the street of town. As we are having towns or streets, ants are also living like us. They are making passages, towns and homes. Okay, some keep the home clean and tidy. As we have to keep our home clean and tidy, like us, ants are also keeping their home clean and tidy, means neat and clean, and carry away any rubbish. And when they have any kind of rubbish at their home, they will have to throw that rubbish outside their home. Okay, means ants are very much disciplined and clean and tidy kind of creature. Some go out to bring in food and even make a store for the winter. And the ants who are free from their work, they have to collect or store food for the winter season. As the ants are winter sleeper, they are not allowed to come out in winter because of harsh weather. So they have to store food in winter season. Some are like soldier and always ready to defend their homes against any foe. Means some kind ants are like the soldier, like army man. They are keeping their family or home against their enemy. Okay, they are defending means protecting their family or home against any foe. Means if anyone or any animal is about to attack on the ants, they are protecting or defending their family against their enemy. Okay, the strangest kind of all are those which keeps pet. Means now Uncle Jim told to the children that there is also a different kind of ants which are kept as pets. Okay, these pets are insects called green fly. Now he told to children that pets insects are called green fly, okay, and they give up sweet sticky kind of honey which stroked gently. Now he told that the green fly which are kept as pet, they produce sweet sticky kind of honey. Have you seen honeybees? Yes, they are also a kind of ants, okay. They are also called green flies, and they have to produce sticky sweet nectar, and they get that nectar from flowers, and that after a process that nectar is converted into honey, okay. Now he told to children that kind of ants are very much useful. There was silence for a moment, and then Mary said, "Is not that wonderful?" Now the children was very much amazed about their life history of ants, and they were very much impressed by the life cycle or lifestyle of ants. And then they said to Uncle Jim, "That is not that amazing?" "Yes," replied Tom, "but all the same I am glad that I am not an ant. Fancy having hundred of little brother and sister to take out for walks every day." Now Tom said to her brother that I am very thankful, or I am very happy, or I am very glad because I am not an ant, and I am very much thankful because if I will be having hundred of little brother and sister to take out for walk, then I will be not able to survive. So she is very much glad that she is not having hundred of little brother and sister. Now you will do reading of this chapter, and you will underline every difficult word in this chapter. You will learn dictation of all the difficult word, and you have to send me your voice tag of reading, okay. Do reading and send me your feedback. All the best.